Wow, this looks good. This is a brownie, man.
No, it's a cookie.
Come on.
Well, it's a combination of a brownie and a cookie, and that's why we call it a brookie. Hi everyone, this is Anu again, and I'm back in not Varun's kitchen. Today we are in Praminda and Rakesh's kitchen in Naples, Florida. Thank you so much, Praminda, for letting us be here and feature your kitchen in one of our videos. Today is my parents' anniversary, so we are making Amara's famous brookies for them. Happy anniversary, Mom and Dad.
Happy anniversary, Nanu and Nani. I hope you have a great day ahead.
Yeah. You ready to get started?
Yep.
Let's get started. Okay, so here goes the sugar. You can put it in the bowl. And we are going to mix our melted butter in it. So you're pouring the melted butter in there.
Okay.
Yeah. And we have our egg here. I'm just going to beat up the egg. Okay, what goes in next? Should we put the eggs in there?
Yep, I think it'll make it easier.
It will make it easier? Okay, there you go. Let's pour in the eggs there. Alrighty. Oh, we need to put the vanilla essence. I forgot. Shall we put the vanilla essence?
Yes.
Okay, there it goes.
More liquid, more easier.
Okay, and what else should we add? Should we add the salt also in there?
Yes.
Okay, there goes the salt. Now I'm going to melt the chocolate. Okay, so while you're whisking that, I'm going to go melt this in the microwave.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so I have melted the chocolate. Look at the consistency. It took a couple minutes to do it in the microwave in 30-second intervals. And Armano, you want to put it in there and mix it with the batter that's ready?
It's hot.
And then we will put in our cocoa powder. Okay. We'll put in the flour as well. There you go. You want to fold it in, Arvan. Fold it in. Like this.
Oh, wow.
Okay. In this manner. Because all the cocoa powder that's on the sides has to mix into the batter.
Oh, I see. So it's all at the bottom. All the dry stuff is at the bottom.
See? It's on the sides, at the bottom. So you need to mix it thoroughly. Now let's put the other chocolate in it. The chocolate chips.
Wow.
Yummy.
Yeah.
Again, fold it in. Okay, so while you're mixing, I'm going to go and preheat our oven. The oven should be at 375 degrees Fahrenheit.
Okay, now we're done mixing. Let's put it in the baking tray.
Okay, here goes. Nice big tablespoon of it. I'm going to leave quite a bit of gap because it's going to melt and become huge.
And this much batter is supposed to make 16 cookies, which is a lot.
So we have got our dough ready over here, and our oven has preheated. It's at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 190 degrees centigrade. And let's pop it in. Okay, so our brookies are ready, and you know, in this oven it took only 8 minutes, but in my oven it takes 10. So you guys need to keep a close lookout, make sure they don't get burnt, and take them out as soon as they're ready. Look at these beauties! Nice and yummy. Oh wow. We're gonna rest this for about 30 minutes. That's gonna be the hardest 30 minutes of this entire episode because they can't wait to taste it, but it's too hot to eat right now, so let's be back. These guys can't wait to bite into it.
They're perfectly made as
That's a big bite.
can show.
Let's see the inside of it. Oh yeah, see? That's chewy,
Oh.
gooey on the inside.
Just like a brownie.
And crisp on the outside. Perfect.
Thank you so much. It was such a pleasure making this video with Arvan and Anaya. We'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.